Here's how to grease this brake booster seal. This is prone to failing at about after 100,000 miles, and when it fails you probably have to remove the whole booster, so it's better to do this before it starts failing. So we have this cover here, just pull it from the wall just like that, and then stretch it on the side like this to pass it through this small washer. Advance it a little bit. Notice we have a white cylinder right there, and this is the seal, right? This part here. The camera is not zooming very clearly, but what you need to do, maybe just get the paper and just clean around. If you notice black marks, it means the seal is deteriorating. Maybe check it's properly seated, but it may be already a little bit too late, but still worth. Then grab a grease. I'll put at the end of the video what kind of grease, and go near the seal lip right there, all around. Put a smear, put some more, don't be shy. So like I said, go all around. I'm not going to show it because I don't have enough space because of the camera. Just let it sit in there, because when you press the brakes it will just lubricate the seal, so no need to spread it with your fingers. Then just press back this guy, pass it over the small washer just like that, and then engage it on, over the wall here. Just stretch on the side maybe and push. Just go all around until it snaps in place. Make sure it's properly seated here, because otherwise it will get dust on it and may damage the seal. And that's all. Let me show you the grease I use. It's very important to use the correct grease. Don't skip on this. Don't try weird things. Sorry, camera got caught in there. So this is a brand Volvo, it's selling. It's for caliper sliding pins. It's a silicone, but not just silicone with PTFA, which is actually Teflon. So sometimes you just find silicone and Teflon. Maybe this is good, I'm not sure, but I bought a special one that comes exactly for that seal in the kits that sell that seal. It's made by TF, and again it's silicone with PTFI or Teflon. So I'll put a few links in the video description about this product and also about the seal, the replacement one. Just wanted to say that this one, although it's also white, it seems more fluid, so this one may be more better for that seal, especially in winter time. And this one gets a little bit more sticky. I would suggest going with this one, the small tube.